Hi, my name is Hans Kasprick, and I have 30 years experience in the electronic manufacturing industry. Here at Riverside, we can provide a detailed quote with component lead times and possible alternates that are available to help expedite the build process. Our customer base crosses between consumer electronics, automotive, military, and several more. We manufacture products that are used in Bluetooth devices, battery management systems, stud welders, infotainment systems, you name it. We also have the ability to create custom fixturing to process your flex assemblies to the highest standards as well. With respect to market segments and complexity, we have seen it all. We've built it all. From relatively simple builds using FR4 PCBs, which consist of 2 to 4 layers, to more complex stack-ups of 18 to 22 layers with different copper content. In our contract review process, we will verify all documentation, the assembly drawings, and the bill of materials, and we'll even include our internal manufacturing notes to ensure our customer is receiving the highest quality product. Between our facilities, we have 5 service mount lines. These machines have the ability to place components with package sizes as small as 0201. We also have X-ray capabilities to verify the placements and the connectivity of your VGAs, QFNs, and other leadless devices. We also have selective solder machines that can process both lead and lead-free. In addition, Riverside has the ability to pot, conformal coat, or test your product, whether we're using your fixtures or you're collaborating with our engineering team to create a custom fixture specific to your application. If needed, we can work with your team to custom package, direct ship to your end customer, provide alternate components, and handle most other requests to provide you, the customer, not only with a supplier, but a partner. Lastly, we are continuing ongoing education with our team with respect to J-Standard and IPC 610. I encourage you to reach out to our sales and customer service team so we can contribute to the success of your project.